Hello everyone, it's day 12 of the 12 days of Christmas cocktails, the last day. I'm going to show you how to make a Caramel Apple Hot Toddy, perfect for Christmas, so stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back to corkandjava.com, your go-to place for coffee and wine reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages, so make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Alright, so today we are making a Caramel Apple Hot Toddy. It obviously needs to be on the stove so that it's hot, so here we are in our kitchen. The ingredients that we'll need are here. Obviously our apple cider. The ready whip is for topping. We'll have bourbon, this Smirnoff Kissed Caramel vodka that we've used before. We made a delicious caramel apple sangria this fall. It was really good, so make sure you check out that video if you like this kind of stuff. So we'll be using that, and then some cinnamon sticks. Alright, so the first thing that I'll add is our Smirnoff Kissed Caramel, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the stove. I'm going to add 2 ounces of this. And I'm going to add 2 ounces of Evan Williams. I'll do about a cup of our apple cider. And then I'll throw in a cinnamon stick. Alright, so then what we'll do is let this come to just a light simmer, make sure it's nice and hot, and then pour it in a mug and taste it and see how it is. Okay, so it is simmering and it's time to take it off and pour it in our mug. Okay. I left the cinnamon stick in there. I don't care for that in my drink. All right, and then all you're gonna do is top with the Ready Whip or Cool Whip or whatever kind of topping you like. And then because this is scalding hot, I'm gonna wait just a second before I try it. And personally, I'm not a huge fan of hot drinks, but we wanted to give you an option for a hot cocktail. At Christmas it's cold unless you're in, Florida or some other part of the country or world, I guess, depending on where you're watching this, where it might be nice to have a warm or a hot cocktail. So I'll let you know how it is, but I will tell you, I'm not a huge hot drink fan, so we'll see. All right, I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it won't burn me. Oh gosh, that was hot. Yeah, may have burned myself a little bit.
Oh, that's really good though.
Yep. But it's nice. It has a great apple taste. The caramel from the Smirnoff is like not overpowering by any means. Bourbon's great, cuts the sweetness back a little bit, and the Ready Whip on top is perfect for just giving it a little bit more sweetness and froth to it. If you wanted to, you could add like a few dashes of cinnamon on top. Be perfect. And I am enjoying this in my humongous mom coffee cup because all moms need coffee cups this size. All right, so that wraps it up for the 12 days of Christmas cocktails. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. If you've tried any of these, how you've had success or failure with them. Let us know which ones that you've liked. We want to hear. Make sure that you guys find us on Facebook and Pinterest and Twitter. We have great content and great people on all those sites. We're looking forward to seeing you guys online. So until next time, Merry Christmas and bottoms up.